Okay friends, so let's get started on this antenna. Firstly, I'd like to mention you may or may not notice that you have a code for radio reception interference, and more than likely this is the issue. When you can see all this, you're not doing okay. I would replace this with a quality TRQ version. To start the install, you just grab it, turn it to the left, and unscrew it. Grab your new antenna. They look about the same, except, the new one's better. We're going to screw that right in clockwise until it bottoms out, and then just a little extra. That's nice and tight. Go ahead and recycle this one.